Welcome back. Today's story is The Discontented Dog. Once there lived a pet dog named Comet. Though he had a good life, yet he was not happy. He would always envy the life of other animals. One day, he was lazing in the garden lawn when suddenly his eyes fell on a cat on the wall. He said to himself, "How I wish I could jump up on a wall like the cat." Feeling sad, he didn't even care to drink the milk his master had given him. As he was bored with his life, he walked down to the pond to meet the goldfish. Seeing the goldfish, he said, "It must be so cool in the water. I wish I could live in the pond." The goldfish replied, "I wish I could roll on the warm and soft grass like you and run around in the garden." Comet didn't like the reply and went back to his kennel. After some time, Comet noticed a sparrow sitting on a nearby branch. He called out to the sparrow and said, "I feel so envious of you, dear friend. I wish I could fly like you." The sparrow in turn replied, "Oh, my friend, how I wish I could play all day long like you and didn't have to build the nest for myself, tire my wings, and search for food." Comet didn't like the sparrow's reply and kept quiet. Later he felt bored lying on the grass, so he went out for a walk. On his way, he met a donkey carrying load on his back. Comet said to the donkey, "You are so lucky to go around places." The donkey replied, "No, little fellow, you are very lucky. You don't have to carry a heavy load like me." On his way back, he met an unhappy rooster who said, "Do you know, Comet, even I have to wake up the owner early in the morning." He then met a sad sheep. The sheep said, "You don't know how badly my master treats me and doesn't even give me enough food to eat." Listening to his friends, Comet realized he was wrong for not appreciating what he had. He said to himself, "I guess no one is happy with what they have. So from now on, I will enjoy being myself." Since that day, Comet started enjoying his life without worrying about anything. Lesson learned: appreciate what you have and be yourself. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you again. Bye.